I'm installing a new drain pump, this one, on a Whirlpool model WTW5300SQO. Lots of videos on how to put these in, but nobody told me the model and the pump to buy. Here's the pump I removed. See the part number. 3352293. I went on Amazon, cross-referenced that. Here's the replacement pump. No model number on this one. Anyways, when I cross-referenced it, you can see it's the same. On Amazon, they said this 3363394 is the washer pump that'll fit. Looks like they're right. And lots of videos on how to put these back in. I'm putting mine back in now, but nobody told me what pump to order for this model number before I took it apart.